Let's walk through the process of measuring for new, stationary exterior window shutters. Measuring requires minimal time and basic equipment, including a steel tape measure, a sturdy ladder, and a notepad and pencil to record your measurements. Start by taking note of any obstructions that may prevent the installation of exterior shutters. Your window configuration will likely dictate the best method for measuring. For windows with extremely wide trim or no trim at all, like the one shown here, measure the width from inside edge to inside edge of the opening. Otherwise, measure the width from the outside edge of the molding. Either method is acceptable. Select what looks best on your window. Fixed shutters that flank the window on either side ideally should appear to have the ability to swing and cover the window opening. If this is possible, divide the width measurement by 2 for the individual shutter width. Windows wider than 64 inches will need to use shutters that are narrower than optimal. Simply use the widest possible to accent the home. Never use shutters that are wider than the window. Use the same technique to measure the height. Measure the opening size or measure from the outside of the molding. If the shutter will be made with a divider rail, specify the location from the bottom of the shutter to the center of the divider. If the window has an existing division, the divider should be adjacent. Record all of these dimensions. Label each with the window location. Keep this worksheet handy so the shutters can be identified when they are delivered. Don't assume similar windows are the exact same size. Measure all windows to assure accuracy. Shutters install with screws or bolts through the 4 corners of the panel. Assess the points on the building to confirm a solid mounting surface. This is a great time to also select the shutter finish color, matching to the trim paint or the front door. Once your shutters are delivered, check out our installation video for helpful tips to get your shutters up safely and quickly. Visit us at shutterland.com for more information.